Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be working on Nissan,
2016.
what is this, Nissan Frontier?
2016.
2016 Nissan Frontier. I'm going to replace the seal on the drive shaft or the axle seal. As you can see, it's leaking, and to work on it you have to remove the caliper, as you guys know. Remove the 19mm right here. Remove the sensor, it's held on by 12mm, and then after you do that, just go ahead and remove this. Make sure you release your brakes, because if you don't, you're gonna have a hard time removing this. All right, as you can see,
Leakage.
there's a lot of leaks over it already. A lot of leaks. And also it's wise to replace the brake pads because it's been cooking in there. And what else? Okay, let's remove the bolts right over here, and then we're gonna release this brakes cable. I'll be right back because I'm gonna need two of my hands. So on this to release the brake cable, see that little pin right there? Go ahead and use a flathead, pull that, and then punch it out. Let's punch that little thing out. I'm gonna need my two hands, so I'll be right back. Right, so the pin is, I don't know if you can see it, is all the way over there. The brake line is off. You know, just the pin is attached to that. And then remove the 17mm in the back. There's 4 of them. These are the bolts, 4 bolts. So once you remove everything from the back, oh, that's a speed sensor. So once you remove everything from the back, the 17mm right here, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, you should be able to, you know, there you go. It just comes up just like that. Oh crap. So I'm gonna remove it right now. I'm gonna need my 2 hands. I'll be right back. There is the leak right there. Be right back. Just remove this piece right over here, and then don't contaminate this. Make sure your hands are clean. Put it back and drive it. I'm gonna drive this in there. So the old one is out. It was a pain in the butt without the tools, but I managed to take it out without any special tools, with my trusty snap-on. You know, just hammer it from here and then it pops out. All right, so with no proper tool, I managed to put everything back. I was able to, you know, punch that in with my bigger sockets. So, you know, this is perfectly fine. So it's in there now. Make sure when you put this in, you check the seam. Seam looks to be good. And put in the new rubber seal on the outside as well. And let's call it a day. And now I'm ready to put on the shaft back in. So it was pretty, you know, it's pretty not intense, but time consuming, because I don't have, my tool actually broke off removing the seal. Where's the other piece? Right over here. So that kind of took a step back as well, and I just improvised removing this with my snap-on trusty tool when I, you know, shove it in there and pound it back down like this. So let's put back the shaft and then put everything back. All right, so everything is put back on the brake side. Clean it up. Good to replace your pads if you have leaked. That thing is back on with the pin, and almost done, guys. We're gonna put everything back. The nuts and the bolts in the back. It's very easy to do. Now with this job, all you need is basically the puller to take out the seal, and what do you call that, the driver to put the seal back in. It will make your life a lot easier, but as for me, I just always improvise because I don't have the tools to take them out. Actually I do, but it broke. Anyway guys, I'm gonna finish it up, button everything down, and we'll take it for a test drive. All right, finally everything is buttoned up. Make sure, you know, all the 2 nuts, 12mm right here holding the sensor the 417s, the 217 right here, and the 114 right here, and then the 112 right here that you have to remove in order for you to push out the brake cable. So everything is buttoned up, everything is good. We're gonna go do a test drive. Hopefully it doesn't leak anymore. We didn't lose a lot of oil because, as you can see, the car is tilted to the the driver's side, so the oil was staying in that way. I didn't want to jack up both, because what happened if you do is that you're gonna lose some oil, because automatically it'll leak on your side. So anyway, let's put everything back. And don't forget, please subscribe if this helps you, and also you help me out on my channel to grow a little bit bigger. And God bless everyone. Until next time, take care of yourself, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.